folks, it's a Friday morning, TGIF. Well, we're here about a point. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boats out already. That's Big Rudy driving the truck. And I'm gonna give it. Hey folks, it's a Friday morning, TGIF. Well, we're here about a point. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boats out already. That's Big Rudy driving the truck. And I'm gonna give it. Here comes another one. Uh-oh, we're gonna back down to the town. Alright. Let me turn this off and see if I can get the Yamaha night machine started. Alright folks, here's one boat fishing the lights right there. Good time. Sun's getting ready to come up. Beautiful, beautiful day. Once again, thank you, Mr. Joe Yeager. Thank you, Mr. Joe Yeager. Appreciate it. Life is good. I think we're probably about number 10 that launched this morning. There goes a duck. Number 10 that launched this morning. Word is they catching them out there. That by the Trestles, but I don't know. We'll have to see, folks. Stay tuned. We'll give you the inside scoop. And Team JoJo's meeting in April, March, April, will be the third Saturday of the month. Team JoJo's meeting, folks. Hey folks, made it out to the Trestles. A 5-break-1, that's FB1 folks, FB1. Alright folks, we got another one here. Looking good, looking good. We got 8 so far. Fighting pretty good. Alright folks, there it is. First double of the day, folks. First double of the day. Hey, folks, Wild Man got one.
On top of the water out there. Cruising on top.
Gonna back away. Current's so strong, it's dragging us into the bridge. So we fighting the current and everything else. Here comes the fish, though. Nice trout. Nice trout, boss man. Might be 2. Might be 2. Might be 2. 2. Bingo. Yeah, double up.
Guess what?
Big Rudy's got something.
Uh-oh. It was a flounder.
Flounder.
And I hooked him twice.
Hey, folks, Big Rudy's got one here.
Not sure what we got, guys.
Big Rudy got a nice one here, folks. Hopefully.
Not sure.
Been a while. It's a little slow, but we caught 10 of them so quick this morning. We had 2 doubles, and it slowed down immensely. That tide is pouring out of here. Flounder. That's a bad sign, but that's all right. We're going to keep trying. Showing this side. He's got another one, folks. Dominate the flounder division.
Now this is a trout here.
A little trouty wouty, baby. All right. You said there ain't no trout out here.
His first trailer.
All right, folks, we just got another one here.
A little bit better fish.
Says it feels a little bigger.
The tide's rolling in, guys. I mean, rolling out. It's just pouring out of here. The tide's so strong, we're trolling about, I don't know, 40.
Y'all guys ain't learned how to do Lake Pontchartrain. You might want to learn, buddy. Oh. All right, folks. The big trout must have left. We got in the small trout, but that's okay. I just like catching fish. All right, folks. Rudy got another one here.
Said I got Said if I got some, might have trash.
side? Oh, is that something?
My blue was messed up.
Messed up?
Yeah.
These boats, the boats are stacked up at mile marker 175. There's 4 boats right here. I ain't seen a fish go up, but they're stacked up right here. Tide's still pouring out, and it's 9:44. I think about another hour before they start hitting. All right, folks, Big Rudy got one here.
Closer it gets, it feels like a flounder.
It's slow, boy. It's slow, but we're having fun. Tide's still pouring out. It's 10:21. It's still pouring out. Should have changed by now. We switched over to the east side of the Trestles.
We hit a ton of line.
The Highway 11's behind us. They got 7 boats over there trolling. They've been trolling there all morning long. From the Pirates line, about a mile up north, turning around and going back again. 7 of them over there. Almost tempted to do that, but we're having fun right here. We're not slaughtering them, but we're having fun. Uh-oh. Nice one, Rudy. Nice one. Oh, yeah. Oh, look. Self-release. Hey, folks, Rudy's on one here.
Got a lot of people on Highway 11 today, guys.
He said he thinks it's a trout.
A lot of them.
He said he thinks it's a trout. We shall see. And Cisco, this is for you. It ain't no 20-mile-an-hour wind out here, Cisco. It's beautiful. I don't know where you got your weather report from.
Be a trout, baby.
Oh, founder, keeper, founder. Keeper, founder.
Nice. Yes.
See the grass he's got there, folks, on his line, so we know we're on bottom. All right, folks, we're back. Safe harbor. It's a quack, 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 quack. It's high noon, folks. We just wore ourselves up in the morning. Got out there at 6:42, 7:21, or 6:42, 6:44. I think we had the first trout. Got 10 of them real quick. Real quick. But it was kind of on the small side. Rudy said I was throwing back 13-inch trout. I don't know, but that's what he said. Woo, 2 or 3 plant lock. Alright, folks, it's 11:52. We're out here by the Trestles. We're heading on in. We got 21 trout, 6 flounders, a whole bunch of tangled lines, a whole bunch of hanging up. We're out of the pre-rig, so we're going in and giving up. Tide's still falling. Rudy says it's not supposed to stop coming in until about 2 o'clock. So, hey folks, we got a few fish in there to eat. Got some nice ones in there, but mainly 14, 15-inch trout. Got a couple of them out of went 17, but small ones today, folks. They got about 25 boats over there launch, folks. That's Captain, can't remember his name, but coming in with his fish.